Okay, student, here we are interested in finding out the value of total resistance or equivalent resistance when three resistors are connected in series. Okay, then here obviously I will explain you what is total resistance or equivalent resistance. Suppose we have been given what? Three resistance. Okay, we have been given three resistance, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, here the resistances of this one is R2, R1, R2, R3. Okay, what we are saying, suppose this resistance R1, R2 and this resistance, there are three resistance. Then here first terminal, second terminal, first terminal, second terminal, first terminal, second terminal. Then second terminal of the first resistance is connected to the first terminal. Then second terminal of this is connected to first terminal of the third resistance, and these two are starting and finishing term is open. Now if we connect a potential, if they drop across this, if we connect here a suppose cell through this is a cell of having EMF. Then what suppose I current passes through this, then I current will pass through this. Okay, I current will pass through this and current I will pass through this. Then this will be again said to be in connected, this connected in series. Okay, कैसे है, सीरीज में कनेक्टेड है, क्यों? क्योंकि सेम करंट पास कर रहा है. ओके, देन व्हाट इज द इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस व्हेन these three things are connected with potential, have a cell having potential difference. Then if another resistance, suppose RS, is connected through the same cell having potential difference, okay, and this again give the same current passing through this resistor. समझ गए? जैसे जो सेल यहाँ यूज किए थे वही सेल यहाँ यूज कर रहे हैं, ऑफ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस भी जो करंट यहाँ पर मिल रहा था वही करंट यहाँ भी मिल रहा है, सेम पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, सेम करंट. देन द इफेक्ट ऑफ थ्री रेजिस्टेंस will be similar as the effect of this resistance. जो इसका तीनों का असर होगा रेजिस्टेंस का, वही असर इसका होगा. कब? जब ये पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस और करंट दोनों में से, तो देन दिस रेजिस्टेंस इज said to be equivalent resistance of all these three resistance. RS is the equivalent resistance of R1, R2 and R3, or this is said to be the total resistance of these two resistance. मतलब जो हम अगर सेम वोल्टेज वाला बैटरी, सेम करंट हमको पाना है, तो तीन रेजिस्टेंस जो जोड़ेंगे इसका असर जो होगा वो ये इस रेजिस्टेंस का अकेले होगा. ओके, जैसे सपोज हम किसी को दो 500 का नोट देते हैं, रुपया देते हैं, ठीक है, चार मान लीजिए, चार पाँच सौ का नोट, 500 का चार, उसको हम रुपया दे रहे हैं, 500 का चार, और उसी को हम दे दें 200, तो क्या है, बात बराबर है. 500 का चार नोट दें या 2000 का, तो वैसा ही है. ये हम तीन रेजिस्टेंस ले, इसका जो असर होगा, व्हाट इफेक्ट होगा, वही इसका होगा. Then this will be said to be equivalent resistance. And here we have written capital R and connection is connected in this, these are connected in series, therefore word suffix is S, RS. RS is what? The equivalent resistance of all these three resistance. Now let us take the determine how it can be determined. Let us see the expressions. Then what we are have getting here? Here the potential drop of first will be what? यहाँ से आपका करंट कितना जा रहा है I और रेजिस्टेंस कितना है R. Then this will be potential difference will be I into R. This is said to be what? इसको हम लोग क्या कर दें? यहाँ पर से पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप कितना है V1. Then V1 is what? V1 equal to I R. इस जगह आप ले लीजिए, इसका पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप कितना है? यहाँ से यहाँ let us say this to be V2. इसका पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप कितना है? V2 है. Then V2 will be what? V2 will be the current passing through this is I into R. I into R. And potential is said this potential difference is V3. Then V3 will be what? That will be I R 3. Okay. And what we find here? This V has been divided in three parts. V is equal to V1, V equal to V1 plus V2 plus okay V3. And this is what? This is what? V equal to IR1, V2 equal to IR2 and V3 equal to IR3. Okay. And now let us take I common, then I is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. Let us say this to be equation number 1. V equal to, now here what is available? V equal to same potential difference, same current, then V equal to I into RS. Okay. Then just equate these two. This is equal to V, this is equal to V. Just equate this. Then I into RS is equal to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then let us cancel these things. Then RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. Then what we get here? Equivalent resistance R is the sum of all these resistance R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. RS is the sum of all the resistances. है ना? तीनों रेजिस्टेंस को हम लोग जोड़ देंगे, जो सम होगा वही इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस होगा. Okay. You have understood this thing? Now in the next class I am going to explain resistors when are connected in parallel. Okay.